Hi guys! Today we are going to make an air horn prank app in Scratch. So first, let's delete the Scratch, the cat sprite. Alright, now let's rename it to Airhorn prank. There we go. Now let's just choose a button. You can choose any button in here. I prefer this button. Just name it, just put it as button. Then make it make it 300 as the size. Then let's put the button in place. Right? Now let's put it in x0 and y0. There we go. Now let's write something like press me. Let's just try again, shall we? Now here we go. Let's put it in the other sprite. There we go. Now let's make a let's make a let's make a code we can where we can where when this button is put is touching the button, then it should go to another costume. First, when flag clicked, forever, if then is touching mouse pointer, and finally switch costume to. There we go. Now let's add the air horn. Go to there and find air horn sound. Oops. There we go. Now go to here. Now choose your own air horn. I choose this. However, this is not where you. So let's just go to here. Okay, now let choose your favorite and now when it's uploaded, just check if this sprite just check if this sound is here. Let's just There we go. Now go to music. No, it's not here. Ah, there it is. Make it. There we go. There we go. Now, wait a second. There, a lot loud. Now, let's make a code where when it's clicked, the sound will come. Okay, so when this sprite clicked, play sound until start sound. There we go. Now let's try it out. There we go. Now you can use it to prank someone. See you next time.